Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use Zoho CRM for sales. Okay, so the first thing that you should do here is you have to create your account. You just have to visit the Zoho CRM website. Then after that, make sure to sign up for an account. Okay, so once you're here, you have here your homepage. Okay, so you just have to sign up. You also have to set up your profile and then your company. Right. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is to add and manage the leads. So you just have to go to the lead section. Okay, and then we are going to create a new lead. So simply click on this one. Okay, and then we have to fill in the details like the name, the email, the phone number, the company name, the lead source, the Facebook ad, the website inquiry. And then after that, just have to save it. This person is now in your lead list. So you can also import leads from Excel or CSV files if you already have customer data. Okay, so after that, you just have to click on the save option. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is to convert leads into deals. So when a lead shows real interest, so we have to open the lead record and then click on convert. Okay, so we have here the lead record, so you just have to click on it. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, and then we have the convert option. So simply click on the convert option, and then the Zoho CRM will then now create a contact, the person, an account, the company, and an opportunity deal, so the potential sale. Okay, so now that you can track the sale under the deals tab. Okay, so you have that right here. So just have to click on convert after that. So let me just click on it and click on convert. Okay, so now let's go to the deals section. Okay, so we can now see that right here. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to manage deals and sales pipeline. So we have to go to the deals section or deals module, and then here you will see stages like qualification. We also have needs analysis, value proposition, identity decision makers, proposal price code, negotiation review, and more. Okay, so here we can move each deal through the stages using the drag and drop. So for example, this one, so just have to simply drag and drop this one. Okay, and then this will help you visualize where each customer is in your sales progress. Okay, for example, these customers, okay, are done with the qualification. So here we are going to move this to the needs analysis. All right, so for this one, since we are done with the needs analysis for this clients, so we are going to move this to the value propositions. So it will really help you to track your customers. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is to track the communication. So the Zoho CRM will let you send emails directly from the contacts profiles, log calls and meetings, and add notes after to talking to a client. And everything stays organized so you never lose contacts in your follow-ups. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is to view the reports and analytics. So under the reports or dashboards, so let me just find that right here. We have the reports at the top. All right. So here we can see the total sales, conversion rates, and deal performance. You can customize charts and tables to fit your business needs. Okay, so for example, this one. So we have the report name, the description, the folder, and the last access name. Okay, so a few modules used in this report are not available in your current edition, which is the free edition. So we have to upgrade our plan to see that. But of course, again, just have to go here to check the reports and analytics. Okay, So take note that you can customize charts and tables to fit your business needs. Okay, so now if you would like to automate your workflow, so the Zoho CRM can save time by automating the repetitive tasks. So automatically send a follow-up emails after 3 days, assign leads to sales reps based on region, or trigger reminders for upcoming deals. So these are the setup under settings and automation. Okay, so let's go to the settings. All right. And then here you have to go to the automation set. So let's proceed to the workflow rules. Okay, so for example, we are going to create a new rule. Okay, so the workflow rules allows you to perform certain automatic actions and specific records based on the filter criteria. So the workflow automations can send emails, update fields, create records, and much more. So click on the create rule option right here, and then we have to select the module. For example, contacts, and then the rule name. Okay, so just a sample, and of course the description. So this one is just optional, so I'm just going to skip that part and click on next after that. Okay, so I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, we have to execute this workflow rule based on. So we have to select create, okay, and then click on next after that. And then which contacts would you like to apply the rule to? So we have here the contacts matching certain condition or all of your contacts. So just going to select all contacts and click on done. Then we have here now the instant actions. We have the email notification and the task. Okay, and then here the next thing that you're going to do for the email notification, you just have to add the name, and then the choose the users, the groups, rules, and etc. So this one is we have to upgrade our edition in order for us to access this feature. So yeah, that's how you can automate your workflow. And then the last one that we are going to do is to use the Zoho CRM mobile app. So you can download the mobile Zoho CRM app if available on Android, iOS, and you can add leads on the go, check your sales pipeline. You can also receive notification about the deals and the tasks. So once a deal is finalized, so let me just go here. So you just have to open your deals record, and then you can also change the stage to close one, and then you can then create invoices or send your thank you emails directly through the Zoho integrations. All right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.